For all you machinists out there, we know that nothing can ruin your day faster than a broken tap. You're probably on about the last operation for the part you're making, and snap, that dreaded sound of the tap breaking. Let me tell you about this amazing tool. It's called Omega Drill from Penn Tool Company. It's got a wild point geometry and clever square flute designed to maximize strength, and it's made from a revolutionary grade of tungsten carbide. That's what it takes to drill through a hardened, high-speed steel tap. Now, keep in mind, Omega Drill is designed for machinists. You need to use it on a Bridgeport-style knee mill or a machining center. Most people start with this Omega Drill set. It's got all 4 different drill sizes and covers every tap size from a number 4 up to a 1/2 inch. Sets and individual replacement drills come with a great instruction card that guides you right along on how to put an end to that nasty broken tap. There you have it, my fellow machinists. Omega Drill, the machinist's choice for removing broken taps. From Penn Tool Company.